Alright, well, it's that time to pick the winner for a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It is pretty much 2:30 on the 25th. That way it'll give me time to upload everything and make sure it's right. So, get a link. Paste it in there. Filter duplicate. Specific text. I'll just put please, because I'm not sure if it counts commas or what. 4 plus 4 is 8, I think. Alright, so there's only 10 comments. This didn't get quite as a response as I expected. I guess not many people liked it. But regardless, we're going to start. Alright, Dave Porter. You are the winner. So send me an email. I'll put the email on the screen here and down in the description box. And get me your address and I will get it to you. Thank everybody that entered, and thank you for being a subscriber and for supporting me. You guys have a great rest of your weekend, and stay safe. God bless.